Welcome to the top 3 features on the all-new Aygo Cross. So number 1, bulkiness and size. It's even got an increased ride height, and them alloy wheels are absolutely massive compared to the last Aygo. So number 2 is style. So we loved the previous Aygo, but the all-new Aygo is a different level entirely. So you've got familiar features like the little accents around the gear stick and the touchscreen, but you've got this nice big sweeping dashboard, as well as the new seat design. And number 3, the sunroof. We all love the sunroof. So it was available as an option on the previous Aygo, and it's the same again on the exclusive spec and the limited spec for the new Aygo Cross. So that covers our top 3 features on the all-new Aygo Cross. And don't forget, with Toyota Relax, you now have up to 10 years manufacturer's warranty available on both new and used Toyotas. Many thanks for watching, and we'll catch you for the next video.